Are you ready to start creating passive income using digital products? In this video, I'm going to share with you some digital products that you can start creating using AI. Yes, AI, artificial intelligence, is here to stay with us. It's not going anywhere. So whether you're going to utilize it right now or you're going to wait until next year, but why would you even do that when you can start right now? Let's get right into it. Now, the first product that you can start creating with AI to use for sale as a passive income is templates. You can go into ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT for different template ideas for your niche. Once you get this template idea and this outline for your template, you can go over to Canva and personalize that template, plug in the idea that ChatGPT gave you, and you can download it as a PDF. Then you can upload it on your website to use for sale. For example, a budget template. If you're into the financial niche, then why not create a budget template? You can create a wellness template, a fitness template, a savings template. There are several different template ideas, but AI will give you a lot more options so you can find your niche and then you can start creating your own template for sale. Number two idea that you can start making money passively using AI is script creation. Now you can use AI for recommendation of different script ideas. Then you can use these scripts as bundles to market to new and aspiring entrepreneurs or even seasoned business owners who might not have the time to create their scripts, might not have the time to do the in-depth research for these scripts, but they're willing to outsource this service, and you have AI right at your fingertip that you can create this business, put them in a bundle, put a price on it, and pop it over to your website for your clients to purchase this. Number three, and this is one of my favorite ways of making passive incomes using AI. Did you know that you can actually create a workshop using AI? Yes, you can do this. Now, if you don't have any idea of what the workshop will be, but you are familiar with your niche, then why not go over to AI platform? You can go into Canva, or you can use ChatGPT to ask for recommendations for workshop ideas, topics that you can do, and not only topics. Once you get all the different ideas, you can then ask AI to generate the different content ideas for this workshop. So you can go in, whether you're using Canva Magic Write or whether you're using ChatGPT to ask for the topics. So say, for example, you're a mental wellness expert. You know, I like to use mental health because if you didn't know, I'm a mental health nurse. That's my specialty. That's what I do full time, actually. So I like to pick on mental health. So if you're in the mental health niche, then you can go into ChatGPT to ask for 10 different workshop ideas around mental health. Once you get these different ideas, now you're going to choose which one will be more suitable for your audience. Which one will solve a problem? When you get all that information, the title, then you can go back into AI and you can ask for the content ideas. And did you know that even ChatGPT will give you the slide, what to put on each slide? So ChatGPT will come up with, okay, this workshop will have 10 different slides. And this is what you're going to put on slide 1, the introduction. Number 2, you're going to put the content. And number 3, you're going to put a welcome message, and so on and so on. But usually what AI will give you is bullet points. Then for each bullet point, you're going to copy that and you're going to go back to AI and say, can you give me more information around this point that you referred to? And ChatGPT is going to provide more content around that point, that bullet point that they provided. Voila! Record your workshop. You can even go into Canva and record your workshop. Yes, you can share your screen and record yourself in Canva. You can even use Zoom. You record yourself sharing the screen of you teaching that workshop. You can upload it on a website like Teachable, or you can even upload it to YouTube, making it a private unlisted link. And you can having a sales page. Once they make a purchase, then they get access to watch that video. And the pro tip of using YouTube is that you can see the analytics to see how many people are watching, where they're dropping off, just as how you would do in any other YouTube video. Now, if this video is making any sense to you right now, please hit the like button so that I know that these are the content that you're enjoying, and also so that other women can see these types of videos. And number 4, you can create an ebook using AI. As I just mentioned in this video right here, you can go ahead and check it out after watching this video, of course, of the breakdown of how you can use AI, ChatGPT, to help you to create your ebook. Now, just a short synopsis of what I mentioned in that video. I won't give you everything, but just a little bit. If you're not sure of different ebook ideas, again, you can ask ChatGPT, you can ask AI, you can ask Canva Magic Write for different topics for your specific niche. And just as you would do with the workshop, you're going to take each bullet point for the content and you're going to ask AI to generate, giving you more information about this specific point. Got it? Let me know if that makes sense. You're still looking for different ways of creating a side hustle for beginners, a side hustle that you can do with your 9-to-5 job, an online side hustle, a passive income side hustle. I created a whole list of 50 different side hustles for you that you can start right now. I will leave the link below in the description so you can go ahead and download it after watching this video. Now let's get into the last way of how you can use AI to generate income. And it is by using AI to write for you different types of printables. There are several different types of printables that you can create, getting ideas from AI. You create it, plug and play, download as PDF, and you pop it up on your website for sale. You can use fitness trackers. You can use cleaning. So if you're in the cleaning niche, you can have a printable for your cleaning, have a printable for your grocery shopping list, have a printable for your mental wellness. Again, yes, I'm back to mental wellness. Have a printable for your morning routine, have a printable for your kids' daily routine. There are so many different options, different niches of different printables that you can create with the assistance of AI in this day and in this age. So don't sleep on these 5 different ways of how you can use AI to generate passive income. Don't walk, but run. Run, go start making some passive income. Don't wait until 2025. We're already in the middle of 2024. And if you have wanted to create an additional extra stream of income, that was one of your goals for 2024, go ahead, utilize this video. Don't just watch it, but take action. Go ahead and check out this video right here that I just did on how to write your ebook, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.